East Timor Trending Group consegue Emprega Timor One liwa tustrua, hafon existe tinan ronolo resin lima he Timor-Leste. Presidente East Timor Trending Group, sakip amba jornalista sira, hafon encontro o primeiro-ministro Kairala Sanana Guzmão e o Palácio Governo dele. Ex-campeão empresarial Austrália Timor-Leste ne afirma, e encontro ne, chefe governo foi apoio total basira na atividade de Timor-Leste. Além de ne, atualiza a informação quando o projeto ne behende tona, aprovação final do Ministério do Assunto Econômico, ba acordo investimento especial, onde o projeto refere.
The Prime Minister, His Excellency Mr. Shanana Guzmão, is very supportive of what we are doing. As you all know from my past visit, we have been in the process of proposing various projects in this country. One of the projects is very close to being signed off as a financial close nears, and we hope to have that discovery business and industrial zone construction started as soon as possible. We are waiting for the final approval from the Ministry of Economic Affairs for our special investment agreement, and once that is signed, we would commence the construction of our project. And we are very hopeful that that project is going to create lots of jobs, hundreds of jobs during and after the construction phase, and I remain committed for doing good as I've done for the last 25 years in this country. We've been present in this country for the last 25 years. We employ more than 200 people in different businesses. We have East Timor Trading, Burger King, Gloria Jeans, Cheers bottle shops, you name it, we do all of that. And we're very happy and proud to be here and to be contributing towards the local growth of Timor-Leste, which is very close to my heart. And I hope that our project gets the green light soon so we can commence. It is in final stages of finding the land at the moment for our further larger production facility, and for export we wish to develop the facility that would actually export our products from here, product of Timor-Leste going to CPLP countries, South Pacific and Africa to start with, in Australia, New Zealand. We are very confident that once it's approved and it's built, it's going to have very positive impact. And I'm so grateful to His Excellency the Prime Minister for meeting with us very warmly and agreeing to support in different areas, which removes the roadblocks for various investors that are coming in to this country and looking for opportunities to make.
Portanto, East Timor Trending Group hakar contribui tebes ba crescimento local. Nia esperança, projeto ne hetang na Romam Verde lalais, no nebele halo produção, no bele importa ba nação membro CPLP, Pacífico Sul no África. No durante existe tinan ronolo resin lima, e Timor-Leste, East Timor Trending Group, halau negócio e área hira kanesang, loja East Timor Trending, Burger King, Gloria Jeans, Church Model, no Seluktan. Reportagem de Fifanya de Carvalho, Televisão Timor Post.